Hey parents, I hope you're doing good. I'm Gina. I'm a speech therapist. I'm a mom. This channel is for you guys. It's a resource for you guys to come and find information for your children from ages birth all the way through high school. If you have something you'd like to see a video about, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every single week. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified whenever new videos are available. But I wanted to talk to you guys just a quick little video about topic maintenance. So, maintaining a topic in a conversation is a really important skill for your child. This way, they're not jumping all around and making the conversation really confusing. Also, sometimes we think of different things we want to talk about when we're already talking about something, so we can stray away from the main idea of the topic of the conversation already, when maybe the other person wasn't finished giving information or didn't want to move on to the next subject. So it's really important for your child to learn to maintain the conversational topic and try to follow the lead of the other conversational partner. I am going to review some exercises with you guys today. I just always like to show you guys whatever I'm working on with your child so that you can get an idea of what the independent practice exercises will look like. And then if your child has trouble, you know how you can help them. So let's jump into that. Again, if you guys have questions, comment down below. I'm here to help you guys out. Let's get started. All right, parents, so they'll see the topic first. And then after they see the topic, they'll see a list of choices and decide which one is actually about this topic. So you'll see this list of choices. Then I'll give them an answer after I give them a chance to pause the video. I'll show them a picture of the new word that they changed the topic to. Let's try another one, more like what your child will hear. All right, guys, so your topic is race cars. We need to make sure we're talking about race cars. Look at the choices and decide which one is not talking about race cars. A. Jeff Gordon's race car is very fast. B. The pit crew fixes the race car quickly. C. I want my car to be faster than a race car. D. Race cars use different tires in the rain. Pause your video and look closely at each choice. Decide which one is not talking about race cars. Pause your video. All right, you're back. Let's review the answer. I want my car to be faster than a race car is not about race cars. So A, Jeff Gordon's race car is very fast is talking about a specific race car. The pit crew fixes the race car quickly. This is how the race car gets fixed during a race. D, race cars use different tires in the rain. This is talking about a part of the race car. So, good job. I want my car to be faster than a race car is about your car. You're talking about the new subject of your own vehicle, not a race car. So you would need to talk about ways you could make your car faster or different parts on your car that could make it faster. All right, parents, now you know what your child will be seeing. If you have questions, as always, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever new videos are available. I hope this helps you teach your child a new skill. This is really challenging. You can work on this with many scenarios and topics. Have a good one. Stay safe and healthy.